Hello, and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is Google Chat Query Option. Google has made searching for the right message, person, file, or space in chat easier using the Google Chat Query option. When searching in chat, you will now see query suggestions based on historical search activity, sorted by relevance. Let's look at how to perform a search in Google Chat. To open Chat, open Google Chrome and go to chat.google.com. You can also open Chat from the App Launcher in Google Chrome. At the top of the screen, to the left of the active icon, type what you are looking for. Then click More Search Results For. You will notice all the messages that include what you are searching for. On the right side of the screen, click the drop-down menu. You can filter the search by most recent or most relevant. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.